Hi everyone! And this morning guys, nasa airport na kami ng Monchen. So, mag-check-in kami ng 11:20 mga ganun. So, kasi 12 yung flight. And, so, doon guys, I will show you the beautiful view from the Spain. So, 1 week holiday natin this year. Here, Chris. Yeah.
Hello guys. We're looking forward to our trip to Fuerteventura, Spain. Little relax in the sun. And yeah, we're happy. We're waiting now for our flight. It's 12 o'clock. Let's see.
So excited na siya guys.